Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a song from an Instagram post. So if this video sounds helpful to you and you want to learn how you can do this, make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Now whenever you add in a music like this, the music will be added and the exact title of the music will be visible on the bottom. Now for some reason, if you don't like the existing music, you can easily remove it by tapping on the cross on the right side of the music. You can just tap on this cross and the music will be removed. And again, if you want to add in something else, you can tap on add music and select the exact music that you want to add in. But however, if you're talking about the music or the post that you've already posted, you cannot remove the music in this case. If you have already posted some post and you want to remove the music from there is no way possible that you can do this. Instagram does not allow that, and you would not see any option of doing it as well. So the best that you can do in this case is remove the post. So delete the post and then again post it, but this time add in the music that you're trying to add in. So that was the exact video on how to remove song from an Instagram post. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'm gonna be soon back with more informative videos just like this. Thanks for watching.